Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I ordered a couple things from the Ariana Grande merch website. This was supposed to come in December because it's the Christmas and Chill limited edition merch. But here we are. I mean, it's still gonna be cute, but if you guys are excited for that, make sure you subscribe before you get into the video. But without further ado, let's get into it. Christmas and Chill is like one of the best Christmas albums. I listen to it every single year because it's like the perfect like modern like poppy R&B kind of vibe Christmas songs, and I thought it was so funny that she came out with like Christmas and Chill stuff, so I had to pick it up and show you guys. This first item, come on you guys, this is so cute. And of course I got it oversized. I like everything oversized, so just what's new here. But it's this cute little Christmas and Chill like Bambi vibes deer with like the classic like Ariana Grande ponytail and like a little holly on it. It's so cute and it has like a little pink background. Okay, sorry for the informal vibes, but I'm just feeling this. You guys know I get into a mood whenever I want to sit on my couch. But this is the sweatshirt on and I'm literally wearing pajama pants, so I'm not gonna like be showing all of that, but I really like it. The one thing is I got an extra large and I feel like it's kind of like tight. I mean, I know there's like a lot of fabric, but I don't know. I expected it to be like a unisex like size extra large. This feels like a women's extra large, if you guys know what I mean. Like a women's extra large is normally like a lot thinner, so I would get like an extra large or something to try and have like an oversized vibe. This is really comfy and I do think I'm obviously still gonna wear it as like an oversized situation. I mean, it does go pretty low, so be careful with the sizing. It's so comfy though, and it's so cozy. Wait a second, this is kind of a look, especially with my like mismatched like buns. The next item I got is this mug and it says, "Are you down? Are you down for some of these milk and cookies?" If you know, you know. This is one of the songs that's on the album and I just thought that was so freaking cute. But yeah, it's got like this cute little like cookies and milk on it and a little holly. I'm not gonna lie, the mug print looks a little bit like blurry, so I don't know if it printed that well, or at least whatever brand they do their mugs with like printed that well, but it's fine. It's still cute. I'm still gonna use it, and I think, you know, it's definitely like a one-of-a-kind product. This is the next item I got. Oh, backwards. I got, which first of all, how cute is this packaging? I got the ornament just because I thought, I mentioned around Christmas time, I normally have like a cute little like pink Christmas tree that I just decorate with like whatever stuff that I like, because I do like a generally more like classic Christmas aesthetic, not really like a pinky one. But for myself, for my own amusement, I like to have a small pink one where I just put like a bunch of extra stuff on. So this was the perfect thing to put on there, and it matches the sweatshirt I got. So throw on the Christmas and Chill album, wear the Christmas and Chill sweater, decorate the tree with the Christmas and Chill ornament, if it focuses. It's so cute. The printing on this is really good compared to the mug. Like, it actually is super detailed. It's like a little winter wonderland vibe. I don't know. I love it. I think it's super cute. And I love how it has this like green little bow on it that makes it like the perfect little Christmas ornaments to have. And the box is really nice to put it away in. It also says Ariana Grande on the top of the box in case you guys, you know, I don't know, were interested. You guys. See, this is what prompted me even buying this stuff in the first place. It's a onesie. I have no words. So I got this Christmas onesie. I'm actually dead over this. It's so cute. And actually this one isn't really like Christmas themed. Like, you could definitely get away with this now, which I don't know. I don't know if you guys are like that strict about like wearing Christmas stuff outside of Christmas. I kind of am, because I'm just like, it makes me sad. Like, I want Christmas time. But this little item I can definitely wear around this time of the year because, and I did this on purpose, I got the one that says winter things all over it. So it says winter things in the same print as like the other Ariana Grande stuff, and it literally just says that like all over the onesie, and let me tell you, this material is so soft, but like it's thin enough where I feel like I'm not gonna be like suffocating, but it's so soft. I feel like they made this out of a blanket, and I really like the sleeves. It's like this like crew neck, almost like literally the same as a hoodie sleeve, and I feel like that's super comfortable, and it keeps the air from like getting into it, you know, because it's the same on the bottom. Yeah, they don't have feeties, which I personally like because I get really suffocated in the ones that have little feeties. Ow. Just freaking slammed my foot sitting down. But how cute is this? It's so comfy and so cute. I am glad I got a large because this is again like low-key like tight fitting. I know I'm like normally a medium, so I don't know. I'm even a small in some brands. I don't know. But this is really cute. I'm just not gonna hate on this. I'm just absolutely not gonna hate on this. Like, it's so cute. It's so cozy. Does it fit over my buns? No, it doesn't. It wants to. Cute, right? Or is it just me? That is it for today's video, you guys. I feel like I'm so like giddy and like happy right now. I just freaking love cozy stuff. Absolutely love like Christmas themed wintry stuff. So I am in my zone right now, and the Christmas and Chill album is literally my favorite. And I'm really sorry, I don't know if this is like available anymore because it was limited edition, but I swear I thought the merch was gonna come a lot faster. I do think it's a little bit pricey. I will say the quality of the product is really good. The only thing was the mug maybe, but the mug was actually on the cheaper end. So I guess it just depends on how much you like her, first of all, but also like how much you spend will kind of, I think, indicate the quality. Do you guys like Christmas and Chill, or is it just me, or do you guys like listening to classics? What other songs do you like listening to? I don't want to like start this discourse about Christmas when Christmas is literally already gone, but let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a cute ass day, and bye.